Hi everyone and welcome. My name's Tash and I love to explore all things arts and crafts. If you've been here before, you would have seen some of my other videos. Please don't forget to support me through subscribing, notifying, or just giving me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear what sort of things you like and what sort of things you'd like me to have a go at. I'm going to start doing more sketchbook ideas and things like that because that's what I'm enjoying in my own life at the moment, and I think if I'm enjoying it, that will show with you guys. Now a lot of what I've been doing is more around sort of mindless art, so lots of repetitive art. So I did this little experiment yesterday. It's on brown paper in my craft book. I've done in my craft paper book. So I want to have a go at transferring that into my normal sketchbook today. So let's get started. Now these are just ideas that I've had off the top of my head. Just something I want to do to relax, and I'm just sharing it with you guys really. It's by no means any kind of tutorial or anything like that. I'm just doing it as an experience. You can either just watch or you can have a go too afterwards. So I've basically used my washi tape, my artist tape, to create a little bit of a border, as I'll probably put a border on it afterwards. I may colour the background in black like the first one, but I decided not to in the end, but that was my thinking at the time. So I'm just going around, first of all, drawing in the water droplet shapes, or the speech mark shapes, whatever you want to call them. They're a bit like water droplets, I feel. But yeah, so I'm going around doing the bigger versions of them, and the reason why I decided to turn the book around is so I get them at different angles, so that I'm not drawing them all in the same direction. So they'll all be flowing in a different direction, higgledy-piggledy, and it'll have a bit more flow that way. Colour I go in with this lilac colour. It's just a very light purple shade. It almost looks blue on the screen a little bit. And then I just basically dot around. Oh yes, just reminding you must put a piece of paper behind if you're using any kind of markers. At most sketchbooks it's likely to go through the page. So I'm just going around flat colouring through some of the shapes all and around. And then once I've done all that with one colour, you'll see very quickly I've just skipped through it, all of the colours put down, the 3 colours, and I've tried to evenly spread them all out. The next step is using the white gel pen, and all I do with this is just create little highlights on them, so along the longer edge or round the circular part of the droplets. Just to create, I don't know, just a little bit of something. It doesn't really matter because these are our sketchbooks. We're doing them for fun. And what I want us all to remember is that this is just for relaxation and switching your mind off. And we all need some of that, don't we, sometimes? So, yeah, just enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. Everybody says that, don't they? But it's true. It's really true. To doing the lovely glitter gel part, and this is really fun, gives it some shine and some shimmer. finished off with the lovely glitter glue, all in the beautiful colours. It doesn't do justice on the camera, to be honest. Really, it looks better in real life, as does everything crafty and arty. Always looks better off camera. But I'm using a silver gel pen now, and I'm using the guide of the art tape, so to draw a little silver border on. And then once I've done that, I take that tape off, put another one down and draw another thicker silver border just on the outside. So I'll fast forward that now so you can see me do that too. So it's the grand reveal. We'll pull off that tape so you can see the final thing. I still wasn't sure about the background of it. I did do some black background on the original design. Maybe I should have done that, but I didn't want to ruin it. It's that difficult situation. Damned if you do, damned if you don't. So I just left it. I hope you like this one. Please do follow for more, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you'd like to see in other sketchbook idea videos. Take care. Goodbye.